Good morning and welcome to my channel. This morning I'm going to show you my nice plasma cutter trolley that I made. It is basically just a metal frame where I put the plasma cutter on here and I put a strap on here and I just make it sure it doesn't fall off here. And here's the regulator in the back, and here is the handle. I just make a little metal place where you can put the handle in. When it doesn't work, you just put it in there, and then I just wind this around here. I can just wind it off as long as I want, and then I just wind it up again, and then you just put it back in there. And here's just the access to the front and the settings, on and off. Here is my connection for the air hose. It's in the back here. Here in the back is the made like two metal brackets here to winding up the ground clamp. And here is the AC input. And there the back is the regulator. I never set the regulators on full blast. I have another regulator by compressor, but they can set it. Here's just some water. You can take the water out. Here's the fan in the back. And this is just to show you. Then you can move it around. There's wheels in front, so you can grab the handle, move it. This is just two kind of wheels that I found here in my workplace. Put it on there. Quite a nice trolley for my work. It's a Power Cut 40 plasma cutter Pro Max. Seen it since 2015, so it's about 7 years old now already. And the next video I want to show you how to open this thing and clean it. It's necessary to clean it once in a while to blow it out with air, because all the cuttings of the fine dust, metal particles go in here, get sucked in by the fan and gets deposited over the IGBTs, like the field effect transistors that do all the switching here, and then they short out. We had quite a few at work that already damaged. We had to buy new ones. Okay, this is just all for today. Till next time, cheers.